Welcome to igloohome. The igloohome smart lock has 3 modes of access. First up, the PIN code access. Just tap the PIN code onto the keypad of the lock and press the hash key. You can create a visitor PIN code and set the duration that it is valid for. This can be done no matter where you are, from working in the office to traveling overseas. Secondly, Bluetooth key access. Your smartphone can be used to unlock your door. Tap on the unlock icon when you are in Bluetooth range of the lock, then tap on the keypad of the lock. Thirdly, physical key access. This is meant for emergency situations. Remove the dust cap of the lock to reveal the keyhole. Insert the key to unlock. For convenient and smarter living, the igloohome smart lock has 3 modes of access: PIN code, Bluetooth key, and physical key. Simple as that! Make your home smarter and safer. Make your home an igloohome. Check out our batteries and security features video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.